Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted anything. I guess life has caught up to me and some stuff's happened, and you just got to roll with the punches and make the best of it. So I was living in Pennsylvania and I'm currently living in Virginia, and the view is something to be had around this place. I mean, if you're into country, farmland, I mean, this is where it's at. There's a lot of sod farms, but it's pretty nice. Garage isn't as big. It fits King Dent. I can fit the green race truck in here, but it's going to be tight. So it's still at my other house in Pennsylvania. I'm sure I'll be getting it here soon, doing some work on it. But today I'm going to be installing the rough country stabilizer on the front. Truck drives really good, but since it is a tow truck, family truck, I want to make sure that it's safe for the wife, and didn't bump steer or anything like that, but I just wanted that little extra security, have stability going down the road. So let me show you what I got. All right, so with the kit, it came with this bracket and bolts up to the front axle. I have my front dampeners right here, and I'm guessing it's a hardware kit. Yep, I got some brackets, some hardware, some sweet wrinkled up stickers, and some instructions, but we probably won't use those. So anywho, Rough Country didn't sponsor me or anything like this. I just bought it. Figured I'll put it on and let you guys know what I think of it. All right, guys, now everything's bolted up. I'm just gonna jack it up and test it, make sure nothing hits. Note, the instructions tell you to put this bracket on top of the support, which puts everything up here. All the angles are off. So I looked online, and a lot of the guys were putting it on the bottom, which makes sense. It's pretty much straight across, but the instructions are definitely not correct. Alright guys, cycled the steering, nothing hits. Got plenty of room. You can see there's a faint line where it stopped, and there's a faint line where it stopped over here. So it's not bound up. This truck actually has more steering throw than it does throw on the axles. That's why it's squealed, because it turned it a little bit too far, but that's just how the geometry is. I wanted to make sure when I put this system all together that I had enough throw in order to turn the steering wheel lock to lock on both sides, which it has a little bit more, but it's on. Hey Nash, go! Alright guys, took it for a test drive. Much more stable with the dual stabilizers on there. I like it a lot. I did notice that there was a little bit of play in my drag link, so I picked up a new one. So I'm just going to pop this off, throw the other one on there, get it a steering wheel straight and lined, and that should fix that little bit of play in there. Got the new drag link on, got it adjusted. Dual steering stabilizers are on. Next, I'm going to pull this little dimmer switch out and replace it with a new one, and hopefully I can get my high and low beams to work. Truth. Well, I see one problem is this little plastic ring is getting caught and I can't push it down. So I'm gonna have to adjust that, and I think it should be working. Okay. Yep. Okay, it works. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Got the drag link, stabilizers, and the high-low push button. Works good now. So we're all set. Stay tuned until next time. Catch you later.